Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. To learn more about video editing and some unraveled secret of video editing, please kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so as to be notified of my next upload.
Okay, so in this video I want to teach you how you can save your entire page via Elementor page builder in a WordPress site, and you can download this page, this template to your system and use in any other site. This is the full page. It's a full page designed with Elementor page builder in a WordPress website. So come to this place, click to save as template, and save with a name. Click save with a name and save. Wait for it to save. So when you save, you will see it in my template page here. So here you can insert, you can download it to your system. You can equally save section by section as a template to be used for another page. So we can save this. Okay, so save as template. Same way. Save as template. You can see the full page and the section. So with this you can insert it to another page. So let's go to your all pages. So let's pick a page. So this is edit. Edit with Elementor. You can see there's nothing on the page, it's blank. We have not built the page, so let us bring the template which we have saved into this page now. Then we can just edit with the content of the page. So click insert, and you have the full page which we have saved as template from the other page. So here now we can just be removing the content